This is a teardown of a Sagecom 4300 Ethernet ADSL modem. And if I had the right screwdriver ready, there we go. Should be a pretty quick teardown. Shouldn't be too much to see inside. Just a single screw holding this together, I believe. There might be a screw hidden. I don't feel like there'd be a screw under those. Let's find out. Nope, no screw there. I think this is a clip together type of thing. It might go bouncing off the floor here. Alright, floor time. Alrighty. There we go. Just need a good bounce. Trying to figure what that says. Atlantic, I guess? Or maybe it's just Atlantic? Interesting. Got a little sticker over this one chip here. Alright, it's stuck on good. I don't know why they stuck it on the chip. Looks like it's meant to go right there. Interestingly enough, the sticker ripped the paint off or something. Hard to read that. EM638165TS-70. I would guess that it's memory for the processor. Probably as close as I'm gonna get to it being readable. Got some of the power filtering in here for the phone line, and then this is all power regulation. Kind of surprised how much power regulation is required for such a small modem, but I don't know if maybe it needs cleaner power or something than a normal piece of networking equipment would need. There's some beefy capacitors there, and yeah. Otherwise, nothing on the bottom. I think I've heard that these pads under chips like that with solder on them is basically just thermal mass for heat seeking purposes, because these aren't really connected to anything by any means. And I don't think they're I don't think it's like power planes that are getting more mass for higher power transfers. Although we got some interesting stuff going on there. I don't know if that's bridged for the fun of it or if there's a reason for that. There are some vias by some of those pads. But yeah, no. Definitely pretty simple and as expected. Looks like there was a spot for another phone line jack there. So I don't know if maybe this could have pass-through capabilities for if you had a regular phone line or something. I don't know. But hopefully that's interesting, and thanks for watching.